well-wishers, and welcome back to my channel Aspiring Minds. In today's video we are going to learn future tense. So let's get started. Let us quickly revise. We all know that the tenses are of three types: past tense, present tense and future tense. I have already made videos and they are live on my channel for past tense and present tense, and in today's video, very quickly and effortlessly, we will become a future tense pro. Let us learn about future tense in 3 simple steps using this picture study. For those who are old, let's go back to your childhood days and do a reading of this picture. Look at the picture and imagine that in the upcoming few days you are going to go for a vacation to the beach. What are the things you are going to do? You would describe it as the children will build sandcastles on the beach. Another way in which I would describe it as, occasionally I will see a boy and a girl will swim in the sea. And by evening the children will collect a lot of seashells. So having described the picture study, let us now quickly learn about the types of future tense in details. Firstly, we have the simple future tense. It describes the actions or events that will happen in the future. And how is it formed? With the subject, you add will or shall, both of which are auxiliary verbs. And with that, you have to add the base form of the word, that is, will play, shall go, will eat, shall eat, etc. Let us look at some of the examples for simple future tense. I will eat my breakfast at 7 a.m. tomorrow. The children will go to school by bus. So in these 2 sentences, will eat and will go are simple future tense. Second type of future tense is future continuous tense. This tense is used to describe actions that will be continuing or ongoing at a specific point in the future, with the structure being you add will be and the present participle of the base verb plus ing. Let's see how through the examples. Look at the picture and then read the sentence. They will be playing football in the park. Here we already have to add will be and the base form of the word play remains plus ing. So in this sentence, will be playing together form the future continuous tense. Quickly look at another example. She will be studying for her upcoming examinations tonight. Here again will be remains. The root verb is study, but to that you add ing to make it future continuous tense. So the phrase in totality, will be studying, is a part of your future continuous tense. Now before we move on to the third type, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such future updates. Now let's look at the future perfect tense. Now this tense is used to describe actions that will be completed by a certain point in the future. The structure is will have, and here you add the past participle of the verb. Let's see how. See the example? By next week, Jim will have found his car keys. Again, will have remains, and to that you add the past participle of the word or verb find. And what is it? It is found. So the entire phrase will have found becomes an example of future perfect tense. Let's look at another example. By next week, I will have reached New York for my vacations. Again, with the phrase will have, you add the past participle of reach, that is reached, right? And it becomes an example of future perfect tense, that is will have reached. Let's quickly recapitulate. We learned the three types of future tense, that is simple future tense, future continuous tense and future perfect tense. I hope by now you've become a future tense pro. Do let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. So that's it from this video. I hope you liked it. Do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such future updates. Thank you for watching.